time is running, we're far apart. I still got you, like from the start. Now we're nowhere near where the end could be. I love you, but you don't love me. We don't talk like we used to, and I hate that.
Yeah, we don't ever talk like we used to. You say you hate my guts and that I used you, but darling, let you go, I refuse to. I've been feeling dead inside, rather die than lose you. Everything we've been through, we have a connection. What's with your aggression, hatred in your texting? I'm a person, don't treat me like your possession. Maybe we could be together in a new dimension. Maybe we could have a love without the deception, without all the stressing, without the depression. I need your attention, I'm in love recession. Baby, I need you to live, you are like my medicine.
Time is running, we're far apart. I still got you, like from the start. Now we're nowhere near where the end could be. I love you, but you don't love me. We don't talk like we used to, and I hate that.
Yeah, do you remember when I took you to your favorite place? You said that you love me and I won't ever be replaced. Now those memories are something that I can't erase. Visions fucking haunt me, see the terror on my face, and I can't escape. I've been trying to run away from decisions that I made, demons that just always stay. I just wish you would display how you truly feel inside. I know that you miss me, but you're scared so you hide. Yeah, you hide behind the wall that you created, and an ego that's inflated, spending your nights getting faded. That ain't you, I think you're jaded. I can't help you when I hate it. You always at the club, I can tell that you're breaking.